Essential makeup steps for a complete look. 1. Prepping the skin. Before applying makeup, it's crucial to have clean, well-prepped skin. Follow these steps. Cleansing. Wash your face with a cleanser suitable for your skin type to remove dirt and excess oils. Exfoliation. Use a gentle exfoliator to remove dead skin cells and smoothen the skin. Moisturizing. Apply a lightweight moisturizer to hydrate your skin and create a supple base. Primer. Use a primer to create an even surface, blur pores, and help the makeup last longer. 2. Applying foundation. Foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and type, liquid, powder, or cream. Apply it evenly with a damp makeup sponge or brush for seamless coverage. Concealer. Apply concealer under the eyes to cover dark circles and on any blemishes. Use a shade 1 to 2 tones lighter than your foundation for a brightening effect. Setting powder. Lightly dust a setting powder to lock the foundation and concealer in place, focusing on oily areas like the forehead and nose. 3. Contouring and highlighting. Contour. Use a contour shade 2 tones darker than your skin tone and apply it along the sides of your nose, below the cheekbones, and along the jawline to add definition. Highlighter. Apply highlighter on areas you want to enhance, such as the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and the inner corners of your eyes. 4. Defining the eyebrows. Filling in brows. Use a brow pencil or powder that matches your natural hair color to fill in any sparse areas. Brow gel. Apply a clear or tinted brow gel to keep hairs in place and create a polished look. 5. Eye makeup. Eyeshadow. Start with a neutral base color over the entire lid, then add a darker shade to the outer corners to create depth. Blend the colors for a natural transition. Eyeliner. Choose a liquid, gel, or pencil eyeliner and draw a precise line along your upper lash line. Extend it slightly for a winged look if desired. Mascara. Apply 2 coats of mascara to both upper and lower lashes for added volume and length. False lashes. Optional for a more dramatic look, you can add false eyelashes. 6. Blush. Blush. Choose a blush color that complements your skin tone and apply it to the apples of your cheeks in circular motions for a natural, healthy glow. Bronzer. For added warmth and dimension, apply bronzer to the areas where the sun would naturally hit your face, like the temples and cheeks. 7. Lip definition and lipstick. Lip liner. Use a lip liner to outline your lips and prevent lipstick from feathering. Lipstick. Apply your chosen lipstick color directly or with a lip brush for a more precise application. Choose from matte, glossy, or creamy finishes. Lip gloss. Optional, add a touch of gloss in the center of the lips for a plump look. 8. Finishing touches. Setting spray. Spritz a setting spray over your face to ensure your makeup stays put and looks natural. Final checks. Blend any harsh lines and make sure the makeup is balanced and cohesive. By following these 8 essential steps, you can achieve a complete, professional makeup look suitable for any occasion.